How do I get started on Bluehost? To get started with your new blog or website on Bluehost, you just need 3 really simple things. So let's show you what they are. The first thing you need is a discount, because if you go to bluehost.com, you'll see the standard pricing that everyone sees, and you can get a lower price than that if you know how. Right now, there is a promotional price going on for Black Friday, so it's a little bit atypical, but to make sure you do get a price that's lower than the homepage price at Bluehost, just hop over to our link at dearblogger.org/Bluehost, and that will make sure that you see a price of $2.95 a month instead of $3.95 a month. So that's the first step, and now you can click Get Started Now. The next thing you need is some hosting space, and you have 3 options of different hosting packages: the Basic, the Plus, and the Choice Plus. Even though the Choice Plus might be recommended here, the Basic is all you need to get started on WordPress. It has more than you need in terms of storage space and free features. So just select Basic if you want to make one website or blog. If you do want to make multiple blogs or websites and you know that right away, then you might go with the Plus, because the Basic is only for one website or blog. Let's select Basic, and now you have the 2 things you need, and the third thing you need is a domain name. So this part's fun. Just go ahead and pop in your name or your businessname.com. As an example, I'll do how to get started on bluehost.com. You can change the extension to anything from .space, .blog, .net, or whatever you want to go for. And you'll rank in Google well regardless of the extension, but keep in mind the .com is what people expect when they search for you, and it's most valuable if you sell your blog someday. Now click Next. If you see the green sign, you're good to go. The final thing you need to do is just go down and create your account information. Maybe you'll get lucky and it'll fill it in for you. Pop in your email, that's required. Make sure your package information is right. So you can do 12, 24, or 36 months. I usually like unchecking the package extras just to save money, and you can always add them in the future. Bluehost will just set them up if you ask them to. Pop in your payment information right here. Scroll down. Check the terms of service box and click submit, and you're all started with your new Bluehost hosting account, domain name, and the next step, they're going to automatically set up a WordPress blog for you. Click submit. Okay, so it'll think for a moment, then it'll take you to these basic starter questions at Bluehost. You can skip them or you can answer them if you want to tell Bluehost all about what you're up to. So let's indulge Bluehost a little bit. We're going to say we need a little help. We just want a blog, but you can see there's a lot of cool options like an online store. I'm very comfortable because that's what we do. And you can just go through these steps as quick or as slow as you want. You can add more pages to your site by default, so it'll come with more features and be more powerful. You can name it. This is your site title, and you can make a tagline that goes beneath your site title on WordPress. Click continue again. It'll ask you if you want to pick a theme right away, and WordPress comes with thousands of free themes now that you've taken that step and joined WordPress.org. Feel free to pick one if you want, or skip this step and Bluehost will set up the default WordPress theme. You can learn the default theme then and choose one later on, because it can take a little time to make up your mind. Bluehost is now installing WordPress, so you didn't need to know any code, techie stuff, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, none of that to get WordPress going, but you're gonna look like a super techie person anyways. Alright guys, here you are. Welcome to your Bluehost dashboard. You can have fun playing around later on. I hope that answers your question of how do I get started on Bluehost. When you want to log in, just click on WordPress right here. Let me know any questions in the comments below, and make sure to open the description box so you get that discounted link to Bluehost, and you can get that discounted price we saw at the start of the video. Enjoy. I'm Gardner Ryan, and thanks for watching.